Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn very interesting lesson games we play from third EVS looking around book. Student, do you like to play games? I hope everybody likes to play games. Children plays different games in different villages or cities. Sometimes different places children plays same games but with different local names. In this lesson we will learn about one more local game, that is hopscotch, means Stapo. Stapo is local name of that hopscotch. In this picture you can observe how children are playing hopscotch. So let's start to read and understand about this game. All the children were playing Stapo, means hopscotch, in the lane. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing, but Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. So Avantika said, "Listen to me carefully, Nandita. Understand the game. Throw the marker, means thippi, in the first box." Now here Avantika is telling to Nandita about this game's steps. So first step is there. Nandita want to throw the marker, means thippi, in the first box. Then on one leg jump over this box into the next one. Then Avantika said, "Keep in mind, you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes. Mark 4, 5 and 7, 8. Take care, your feet should not touch the lines. If it touches, you are out of the game." See students, Avantika telling steps of this game to the Nandita. First, Nandita want to throw the marker in the first box. Then on one leg she can jump over this box into the next one. And she can put both feet down together only in the boxes 4, 5 and 7, 8. And she should take care that feet should not touch the lines. If she will touches the lines, she will be out of the game. See students, hopscotch, 7 tiles are some local games, and the things used to play them are also used with different names. Now here Avantika is telling next step to the Nandita. She says, "When you reach the last box, turn around. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now throw the marker in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game." Avantika tells to Nandita, "When you will reach in last box, you should turn around and bring that marker back, and again you want to throw that marker in next box, and same steps you want to follow to play games." The children started playing again. Since long, Chachi was watching them play. She too felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking, "Can I play with you?" The children laughed aloud. See student, Chachi was observing their game and she could not keep herself from asking them that she want to play with them. And she asked them, "Can I play with you?" And children started to laugh. Avantika said, "Chachi, you will play?" Chachi said, "Do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At your age, we played so many different games." Then Nandita said, "Which games did you play, Chachi?" Chachi said, "Langri, tang, hide and seek, then 7 tiles, and so many more. In Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages. Then Rajat said, Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play. Then Chachi said, You are so busy watching TV all the time. Then Nandita said, Chachi, did Chacha play these games too? Then Chachi said, Your Chacha says that he used to play marbles, 7 tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meals. Nandita said, Chachi, do come and play. And Chachi started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. And see, all the children said, Oh no. Chachi said, Let us go to my house. We will play inside. The children were happy to hear this. And all the children with one sound said, Come on, let us go to Chachi's house to play. Then the children came to Chachi's house. Inside the house, Chacha and Bua were playing chess. Avantika said, What should we play? Then Rajat said, Let us play house. Then children said, Yes, let's play house. But Rajat said, If we had a doll, we could have played with it. Then Chachi said, Do you want a doll? Let us make one right away. Chachi took out some old cloth. With Chachi's help, children made a doll. Some children wanted to play carom and others ludo. They formed groups and started playing. Students, now we will see some questions and answers of this lesson from games we play. See students, in this question we want to write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson, and in front of that games we want to write things which is needed for that game, and if that game is outdoor then we want to do their tree sign, and if that game is indoor then we want to do their arrow sign, and in front of that we want to write number of players also. So let's start to solve this question with the help of given chart. Names of the games mentioned in the lesson, that is hopscotch, and it is outdoor game, so we have mark with tree, and then number of players 4 to 5 or even more also, and things needed a marker. Already we have seen about this game in the lesson. Then Langri Tang, it is also outdoor game. Then usually 5 to 7 players, and things needed nothing. Hide and seek, it we can play indoor also, so usually 5 to 7 players we want to play this game. And place to hide. Like this, names of many games and their number of players and things needed I have given here. You can pause this video and see all the games information here. So now we will go towards next question of this lesson. Do you play some games with your family members? And which games and with whom? My own answer I have given here. You can write your own answer also like this way. Family member, father, and with father I play chess. With sister I play chess and ludo. With mother I play chess and monopoly. Then with brother I play badminton. Now we will see third number question. Do you know the name of any famous sports person in your area? If yes, Write her or his name and the game with which she or he is associated. This question's answer will be different. If this type of any person, famous sport person living in your area, that person's name you want to write here. How many games do you know which we play with a ball? Write their names in the ball. See, cricket, then football, hockey, tennis, basketball. We plays with ball. Now see next question. Have you heard of Sania Mirza? She also plays a ball game. Find out which one and write its name. The answer is yes, I have heard of Sania Mirza. She plays tennis. Now we will see next question. Which game do you like the most? Which game you like, that game's name you want to write here. I like cricket, so I have written here cricket. Find out from the elders in your family or in the neighborhood which games did they play when they were children. I have found some games named see Gilli Danda, Ludo, football, hide and seek and cricket. Now see next but interesting question of riddles. You want to match the riddles with the pictures. These riddles and pictures you can see in your book. First riddle, small and colored are these glass balls. To win the game you have to aim with them all. Glass balls means marbles, correct. And second one, it has no wings but it can fly high up in the sky. It can fly in the sky without wings, means it is kite. Now we will see next riddle. King, queen, ace and jack, 52 of them make a pack. Pack of 52 means playing cards, and 4s and 6s if you can get a century is sure, I can bet. Century, 4s and 6s, we have heard these words in the cricket. Now see next, if you land on a snake, do not frown. In this game you go up and down, and snake means snakes and ladders. Now we will see last one. On the board are squares, black and white. There is the king and the queen and the knight. It means what is this? This is the chess, correct. Now this is last and best question. See, besides their work, what else do your family members do? Color the pictures which show what your family members do in their free time. If you want to add more, you can write or draw in the blank spaces. This question you want to see in your textbook. See, first one is reading. If your family members are doing reading, then you can color this picture. Then stitching and embroidery, then dancing, charting, looking after plants, then collecting stamps, and downside 3 empty boxes are there. If your family members are doing more or any different work, that work also you can draw here and color it. Students, from this lesson we have learned how to play hopscotch and how to make doll, and we have learned names of many different games. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on NCERT classes. And don't forget to click on bell icon. Then you will get notification of next videos.